Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, in this video we will discuss how to test a transformer. What is transformer? Transformer is a device, is a set of coils which transfers the electrical energy by electromagnetic induction or mutual induction. There is no connection between the two coils, input coil and output coil, primary or secondary. It have two set of coil, they are separate from each other. There is no connection between these two coils. As we see in this paper, in this diagram, the left side there is one set, the right side there is other set. This one is Intex UPS transformer. This transformer for 6 volt UPS. The UPS used for computers uninterruptible power supply. It is automatic. It works from different voltage, 180 volt, 220 to 250, wide input range. We will check this and we will see how is this. This one is primary, a coil. This is symbol of a coil. This common input, the black one. Here is 180 volt. The orange one. The orange wire. Black wire is common. The orange wire. Sorry, I am writing wrong. Okay, this is mistake. I will change it again because I recorded this video before. Here is 220 volt. I am also making mistake. Okay, now I will cut. Yes, I am correcting now. Orange, ORN. ORN for orange, BRN brown for 220 volt, 220 volt. And this one is 250 volt. So this UPS is used to protect computer. These two wires, these are for 16 volt power supply for the motherboard, for the PCB of the UPS. Here is output stage. Output stage is center taped. This is insulation. Here is mutual induction between two coils. When we apply voltage to the input of a transformer, primary stage of the transformer, the current flows in primary coil. In primary stage the current flows. Okay, these two wires we will use, red, black and brown. Okay, when this current flows, it makes a magnetic field. This magnetic field transfers to the secondary. It cuts to the secondary winding and the voltage are induced in the secondary winding. So the transformer primary, input stage and output stage have no physical connection to each other. There is just only magnetic lines from primary, they cut to the secondary winding. This is output stage, the 3 brown lines. Okay, these 3 are output stage. The long wire, it is common wire, and the other 2 are output wire. Now I am removing the insulation. We will connect power to this transformer and we will see how it is working. This is heat shrink sleeve. I will connect the other 3 wires which are not being used here. We will just apply power to 220 volt section. In electrical system, the safety must be the number one priority. The safety is our first step. Now I will apply heat shrink. I will shrink them by applying a heat, because when we apply power to 220 section, the 250 section, 250 volt section, which have high voltage, so it can be risk of electrical shock, so I will make protection. This 16 volt section, the last two wires at the left end, these we will not use now. We will use just only 220 volt. It is a demonstration how we apply power to a transformer and how we can check it. I will remove insulation from a power cable by a Craftsman knife. Yes, I will cut the extra insulation. The yellow one, it is earthing wire, it is ground wire. We will not use this now. We will use phase and neutral. These line neutral and the other is phase. These phase and neutral lines, we will connect just two wires. So friends, if you think this video is good for you and you watch more videos, if you want to watch more videos, you can subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you think this video is good for you, then you can subscribe. And if you want to watch in future my next videos, then you can press bell icon button, so you will not miss my any new video in future. But if you want to learn anything, you can subscribe. Here I will make connection. I will make soldering, and I will apply heat shrink sleeve. Now I am going to solder it. So now we are connecting this one. This wire, I am going to connect this one. Okay, now I will connect the other line. We will apply voltage to black wire and the 220 line, that is brown, because this transformer, it have three input lines. Lower level is 180 volt. So this transformer is used to protect our computer. This UPS, this is small 6 volt power supply. There is inside 6 volt power supply. It is best one for computer power supply. It is a best for computer. Now I will apply heat to the heat shrink sleeve. Yes. I separated the free ends of the wires. Okay, this wire, this cable I connected to this transformer to test it. Now I will demonstrate how to check the primary resistance of the transformer. This is 15 ohm, and 15 ohm multiplied by 220, this is 300 watt UPS. Here I tested voltage. This one is 15 volt, This line is 7.5, 7.559, that is very close to 7.6, so we will consider them 7.6. This one is 7.6. This line is common. The long wire, it is common, and the other small wires, the small wires that are output, the long wire, it is common. So friends, take care. If you are satisfied, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.